How to replace the back cover adhesive of a Samsung device. First, we prepare a household hairdryer and get our free toolkit ready. Use the hairdryer to heat along the back cover for about 2 minutes until the back cover becomes hot. Open our toolkit. Take out the suction cup and the card inside. Use the suction cup to create a small gap. Then use the card along the gap. Be careful not to insert it too deep. Usually about 0.5 centimeters is enough. Slide the card along the edges to separate the back cover, but stop sliding when reaching the camera area. This is because we are afraid that inserting the card too deep will damage the camera. Usually, when sliding to this point, the back cover is almost detached. Slowly take out the back cover. Then use a dust-proof sticker to cover the camera frame to prevent fingerprints from sticking inside the lens. If fingerprints stick to the lens, the photos taken will not be clear. We need to completely clean the residual adhesive. First, use your fingers or tweezers to pick out the residual adhesive and tear it off. For the white residual adhesive on the edge of the back cover, usually use a toothpick to slowly roll it off. This method will be faster. After checking other areas and confirming they are clean, use our free alcohol pad to wipe them clean. After wiping, do not touch the metal part with your fingers, because there is oil on your fingers. Wipe and check at the same time. If there is still a little white adhesive here that is not clean, wipe it off. The adhesive must be completely cleaned, otherwise the back cover will pop up. The camera frame needs the same treatment. Wipe it clean. If the heat dissipation sticker is not damaged, there is no need to replace it. When pasting the new adhesive, be careful not to stick it upside down. Sometimes this mistake happens. When pasting, you must align it correctly. Confirm the installation position first before peeling off the film, then peel off the film and paste the adhesive on the back cover. After confirming the position is accurate, press firmly in the middle. Tear off this adhesive. Remove this protective film. Then align and install the back cover. Use our rubber band to tie the device up and leave it for 3 hours. That's it.